Dropshipping can be an incredibly lucrative business if you know what you're doing. In fact, I've made millions of dollars through my dropshipping ventures. I share my top strategies for dropshipping success. The first thing you need to understand is that success in dropshipping comes down to finding the right product. You need to find a product that people actually want to buy, and that has a decent profit margin. One way to do this is by using product research tools. There are plenty of these tools out there which can help you identify the best-selling products in your niche. Once you've found a product, the next step is to create a high-converting website. Your website needs to look professional and be easy to navigate with clear calls to action. There are a few key things to keep in mind when designing your website. You need to make sure that it's fast loading, mobile-friendly. That brings me to my next point. You need to invest in marketing. No matter how great your product or website is, if no one knows about it, you won't make any sales. One way to market your dropshipping store is through social media. You can create engaging content and use targeted ads to reach your ideal customer. Another way to market your store is through influencer marketing. This involves partnering with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. The key to success with influencer marketing is to find influencers who have a highly engaged audience that is likely to be interested in your products. Once you've found a product with high demand and a decent profit margin, the next step is to create a high-converting website. Social proof is a powerful marketing tool because it helps to build trust with your potential customers. When they see that other people have had a positive experience with your product, they're more likely conversion rate is by using scarcity tactics. This means creating a sense of urgency by highlighting limited stock or limited time offers. You need to be persistent. Building a successful dropshipping store takes time and effort, and you're going to face setbacks along the way. But if you stay persistent and keep learning from your mistakes, you can build a profitable dropshipping business that can change your life.